Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a quick little 10-minute whip and chat for this wonderful rose. I really want to complete it. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I'm going to turn on the light pad. You're going to see some light. There we go. I'm going to dim it a bit because I think it might be a little too bright for the camera. I think that works better. Yeah, that actually adjusted really well. Let me zoom in a bit. As you can see, apologies from the last whip and chat. This little section, I was able to complete it. It's a lot of red. So I'm going to move up to the next color, which I already have the diamonds separated on the... Sorry, I took out the jar out of my storage. Apologies, I couldn't find the wording for that. And I think I hit the... Yeah, there we go. I just have to make sure the area that I'm going to work on is on camera, because sometimes I'm a little off on that. So let me just start the timer real quick, just to make sure we're good to go for 10 minutes. And there we go. So let me just pour them into this tray. I actually fell in love with these regular trays. You can find them on Amazon. They're really inexpensive, and a lot of storage kits that you would purchase usually, there's some in this little tube storage. They do always, majority of the time, contain these large trays. I'm a big fan of them. That's why I started using them. Oh, I forgot to get my glove. I have carpal tunnel, so I do use this glove to help whenever I'm painting, because I've done it without painting, and yeah, I pay for it. Sorry, as I was saying, I really love these really little affordable trays, just to line everything up perfectly. And I've never really had issues. When I had a multi-tray system before, which I still cannot locate in all of my packed boxes, it was these trays that was in it. And I just fell in love with them. And I was able to purchase some more, and as I said, it was really inexpensive when I found them on Amazon. Counting all of the extras I had, because I'm not kidding y'all, I have a lot of storage containers, the tube ones specifically. And oh, I think I might have put the wrong symbol. Yeah, okay, Diamond Dotz, don't do that. See, the symbol I'm working on is the little line with the dot next to it, but right close to them are little arrows pointing to the left. You can probably see it on camera. That's a bit confusing because they're both kind of a red color. So that's why when I was placing right now, actually, let me just confirm that was the right symbol. Yeah, it was. That's why when I was placing, I thought, wait a minute, I don't think that's the right symbol. It's a good thing I caught that. If I've got confused before, but this is really, yeah, that is a bit more confusing. As you can see, this is actually an arrow. I have to really pay attention while I'm painting. So for myself, I completed a canvas. If you all saw, I believe it was the video from yesterday, I am so happy I was able to complete my first canvas in March. I know it wasn't one of my large ones, specifically my whips that I had from last year, but as I said, I was doing it for an event, and I was real excited to be able... See, I almost put it on the wrong symbol. I was really excited to complete it. Right now it's across from me, because as I think I might have said in the video, I was going to hang it across from me because I have my artist room painting also across from me as well. So there's a little designated area of my wall that I decided I was going to put up some of my favorite diamond paintings across from me, just because I love seeing them on the wall, and I don't usually frame my completed paintings, so that's why I like just putting them up there and I can see all nice and sparkly. Then I'm happy I got to complete it. I actually have an empty spot of a painting. Oh, apologies, my putty, I always forget to change it every time I'm going to do this recordings, and I almost put it again on the wrong symbol. Apologies. So if you do work on this canvas, just keep an eye out, especially for this little area, for those symbols, because if it's confusing me even with a light pad, ooh, yeah. I'm kind of glad I do have a light pad. Excuse me. So yeah, so that's what I was just so, and same thing with my mini dazzle paintings. I was so happy to complete those, and I am getting a little faster. I actually completed yesterday, actually, another one that I'm gonna put it in with another video because I also completed another canvas yesterday. It's another small one, but I was just so happy I was able to finish it because I want to put that one at work, and I'll make sure to put completion video later for that painting, and I'll include that mini dazzle as well. I'm getting a lot faster placing the squares, and they're not crooked. So, and I was just so happy when I was able to complete it. It took me a couple hours because I wanted to see if I got a little faster, but with squares, as I stated before, I haven't had a lot of practice with them. So I just have to get into the habit, because I know I'm a lot faster now on rounds than I am on squares. And I am a lot faster now than when I first started. Makes sense, because if you're always painting, you're always practicing. Yeah, that makes sense. And yeah, I should have switched my putty when I always forget right before I record. And mostly I'm going slow because I'm being real careful not to put it again on the wrong symbol. Excuse me. So yeah, so I am so excited I got to complete another one. As I said, stay tuned for that video. And apologies. Sorry about that. Don't worry. I'm gonna add another 2 minutes to the video. That was a plane that started getting real loud, so some of y'all have probably know I mute it whenever really loud planes start getting close to where I live. So I'm in the flight path of where planes land, and not even my wax is working for me. You know what? I'll add more time to this video. I need to switch out this putty. I have no idea why. It was working fine. I've been painting maybe because I was painting all day. So let me just remove it real quick. As I said, I'm going to add some extra time to this video because, oh my goodness, I don't know why I always forget. I use putty in my single placer. To me, it works perfectly because I used to use Diamond Dotz, but they were, for some reason, becoming really difficult with me. So that's why I stopped using it. So that's why now I use putty because it works better, but of course only works better if I don't, if I change it to new putty. And I'm using the Art Dot putty. If you see, see the little metal tray, I did a product review of this. I love this putty, so I always use it whenever I'm single placing or every time I'm painting. Oh, perfect. And it fits perfectly with the single placers. You can probably see the tip of it, and I just love how it sticks. But I know that poor putty that was on the pin right now, as I said, I've been painting all day, so I should have changed it when I get rid of the stick so it's not so strong. I always do that every time I put new putty, and when I forgot I was going to record, forgot to put new putty. So sorry about that. Back to our regular programming. So anyway, I'm just so happy I finished another canvas, and all day I've just been focused on painting, getting everything completed. And I don't know, we all feel that wonderful sense of accomplishment whenever we finish a canvas. So that's why I've been working on my WIPs from last year, because I really want to complete those, and I know those will really make my day once I complete one of them. And the closest one for those is my cotton candy princess painting, and I've mentioned it several times already in previous videos. I've been working on that one a lot because I really love the pastel colors of that painting. So that one I believe might be one of my next finishes as part of my WIPs from last year, and that's a larger canvas. My least worked on, which I feel so bad about, is my Warm Witch canvas. And I love that painting so much, but every time I set it down to work on it, I don't know, the inspiration just kind of goes away, and I decide to work on Cotton Candy Princess. I think it's because that canvas has a lot of brown in it, and I think that's why, to me, it doesn't kind of give me the feeling of, ooh, I really want to work on this one, as in Cotton Candy Princess. And my Spangler is another one I've been working on. Mostly because that Spangler, and I've said it before, always is in the back of my mind. I have no idea why. And I really want to finish it. And it's not that big. Cotton Candy Princess is a little smaller. But Spangler isn't, my Spangler I'm working on, which is the afternoon tea one, isn't that large. But I have the diamonds near me, so I think that's why that one always, you know, I always want to work on that one because I have really close access to the diamonds. So I think that one is, that's why I always think of that one, because it's right there. You know, like I don't have to go searching for the diamonds. They're right next to me, so. And yeah, that's why I'm working on that. But my poor Warm Witch. Oh my goodness, girl. I am sorry. I never work on her. I think I might have said in my previous WIP and chat, I'm planning to take a couple of days off for spring break. So I think I'm going to work on that canvas a bit more. Because I did finish a good section of that painting. Don't get me wrong, I'm not at halfway point, but I did it, as I said, it is a larger painting. So I did finish a good section of it. But a lot of it is color blocking. That painting has a lot of color blocking. And I don't mind it. I do like color blocking. It's just every now and then, you know, you want to be looking at something else than the same color over and over and over. So that's why I've kitted up some other paintings that have a little bit of confetti just as a side thing while I'm working on a canvas that has a whole bunch of color blocking. And the mini dazzles actually helps me with that too. Every time I finish these smaller canvases, for example, the Midnight Maneki Kaneko that I finished, that's why I worked on all of those mini dazzles. Because I don't know, it just kind of inspired me to, ooh, I completed this, I should complete another one. And since mini dazzles are so small, those didn't take me that long to finish. So that's why I finished another one with the small canvas. And I think I'm going to do that as well as soon as I finish one of my other WIP canvases. Sorry, I'm just checking the symbol real quick. Excuse me. And I think that's, oh no, there's some up here. I thought maybe there aren't any more. No, there's a couple up here. And there we go. Oh goodness, this color had a lot. I thought it might have been a quick change one. No, there's a lot of this red. Huh, I was kind of hoping to switch to the pink already, but I really want to complete all of this symbols. So I don't have to worry about it the next time I do this WIP and chat. And yeah, so stay tuned for those. And for the status video, I've actually been recording it. I just have to fix it up a bit. Edit a bit. It's not that many canvas I'm going to show. As I said, I don't really get a chance to work on a lot of those WIP canvases since they're larger. So there won't be that many canvases I'll show, but I think I'll be able to show my Warm Witch because I'm thinking finishing a section so I can put it in that video. That poor witch needs love. And yeah, I think that's all I wanted to talk about for diamond painting, I think. No, there's something else I wanted to mention, but I always forget. Oh, actually, I've been looking at, I probably said before, I have a lot of Diamond Dotz canvases on the side. I haven't worked on them. Actually, all of them, I put them aside and organized them. So when I finish this canvas, I want to keep just trying to work on Diamond Dot canvases for these 10-minute WIP and chats. I have no idea why. I just like doing that. So, oop, diamond moved. So I kind of already know which the next one I'm going to cut. It's another partial, but it's a lot bigger than the rose one. So stay tuned for that one when I finally finish this wonderful rose. I just kind of kicked off the diamond there. And yeah, and then it also helped me kind of realize, oh my goodness, I have a lot more Diamond Dots than I thought. And yeah, those, and I love those canvases. They're all, you know, they're not that large. All the ones, a majority of them, sorry, all of them I bought from Walmart. I think 2 of them I got from Amazon. And they're small, so that's why I really love those canvases. And I love Diamond Dotz diamonds. That kind of rhymed a bit. So that's why I decided I'm going to work on it while I'm doing the whipping chats. I think I might have completed that color. I'm just double checking. Because I said the arrows keep messing with me a bit. I don't know why. And, oh no, there's 2 here. I could keep going further up the rows. But I separated this section originally with release paper, and I kind of wanted to keep doing that so I can do it row by row, but yeah, I think I'll do that because I don't want to get everything out of order since I've already set everything up a certain way, so you know, we all chase the color. We'll just keep going and going, and it never ends, so that's how I want to make sure I don't mess myself up and get out of order. So I don't get out of order. Sorry, I'm just making sure because some of them I did not put them straight. Making sure to cover the white. And there we go. Yay, I think I completed this color. And this section. Anyway, because I know there's some up there, but I am ignoring you. So, the next whip and chat we'll have, I'm going to move on to the next color. So, I'm really excited I was able to finish it while this recording. Big fan of that. As you can see, the rose is slowly going up because I'm doing one color every time. This is going to take a while, isn't it? But I am loving how it's coming out. I love all the red. So let's see it without the light. As you can see, the wonderful red section here and here. It's all up here. And you can see the edging of the rose here. Oh, this is so pretty. I really like how it's coming out. And we hit the 16-minute mark. Oh my goodness, I did go past 10 minutes. But I owed you all because of the putty and all of that. So, not bad. We got a good section done. Next section is going to be that pesky little arrow. So, don't worry. I'll have it all ready and the putty prepared next time. Stay tuned for that. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. No matter how many more 10-minute whipping chats we have to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.